Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I found some pretty good stuff that I haven't seen in my stores yet, so I'm excited to share it with you. Let's just get this out of the way right now. I don't know how to pronounce that. A Mope, maybe Petty Perfect electronic nail care system. I found this. I thought I might as well pick one up after I saw that they cost I think they're selling for like $12 on Overstock right now, so I had to get one. It's just an electronic nail filer basically. I also found this nail oil that goes with it. It just says natural looking shiny nails effortlessly, and it is enriched with nourishing 7-oil complex. You can use it on your toes and your fingernails. So I got this, and I actually got a couple other nail care products from Dollar Tree. I'm kind of considering making a like Dollar Tree manicure video. Not that I'm a professional or know a whole lot about it, but I did get quite a few nail things. So let me know if you'd want to see that. I also found this gorgeous nail polish. This is by Sassy and Chic in the color 902. It's kind of hard to tell in this light, but I am wearing it on my nails right now, and it did chip a little bit right there. I've had it on for about 2 days. This color doesn't look the greatest on my skin tone right now, but I absolutely love this color. It's just a very light lavender, kind of grayish tone. It's so pretty. It's a pop of color while still being somewhat neutral. I actually just ordered my favorite self-tanning lotion because I just want this nail polish to look good on me, but my skin tone's a little bit red right now, so it's not really matching, and I was just sitting on my hand. It's not actually that red in real life, but yeah, so I love this, and I've had it on for about 2 days. I also found this LA Colors Rapid Dry Top Coat. I'm not sure if this is new or not. I don't know if either one of these things are new because typically I don't buy the off-brand nail polish from Dollar Tree. I'm not a nail polish snob by any means, but I tend to get Essie, OPI, and brands like that. I like to get them at TJ Maxx for half off. I've been known to order even more expensive nail polishes, so I haven't really checked out the section that has these kinds in it, so let me know if you have seen either one of these before, but I didn't get a chance to try this one out. I'm really excited because I actually don't have a top coat right now. My favorite top coat is the one from Sally Hansen that dries your nails, so I'm hoping this is comparable. Not that that one's that expensive, but it would be nice to get the same thing for $1. A few of you requested that I try these out. Some of you left comments that they suck, and other people said they work exactly the same. I've never tried charcoal nose strips. I have tried just your normal nose strips. So I thought I would give these a go, and I'll report back to you. Maybe I'll do it in a video or maybe just off camera. I'm not sure, but I will let you guys know some way or another how I end up liking these. Next up, I found this gorgeous tea light holder. You guys have probably seen people hauling these. I thought for sure these weren't going to come to my stores. I've seen a lot of really cool ceramic pieces in other people's videos, but I haven't been seeing them in my store, so I was pleasantly surprised to see this one. I do have quite a few pictures to insert at the end of this video. I saw a lot of cool artwork. I'll show you the other colors of this and a few other goodies. I saw some really cute rose gold pigs that are kind of like a little piggy bank, so you'll see that at the end. But this is big. This is the size of a softball or something. I wish that the little divot in here was a little bit wider or deeper so you could pick the kind of candle. You're kind of limited to just a tea light for this, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. I was shocked when I saw these. I see this kind of thing in a lot of like minimalism style decor and just kind of glam decor as well, so this is a really cool find. I also found this marble picture frame. I'll insert a picture at the end of a few other ones that I saw. I've never seen anything marble from Dollar Tree to my knowledge, so I thought this was really cool. It is just cardboard, but it's that hard kind of, I always forget what this kind of cardboard is called, but it's a sturdy cardboard with a gold clip, and you can just put a picture in here. I thought this was super cute, and these would look really cute next to each other for just some really cheap decor. I could not leave this marble picture frame behind, although I'm not 100% sure what I'll do with it. I might put it in my office and put a picture of Chip in it or something. So yeah, there were a ton of different options. I didn't take pictures of all of them, but I did take pictures of the few that I liked. I also found this lip balm. This is called Blamtastic Skins Naturally Committed Super Blam Lip Balm for soft, smooth lips. It says Skins donates money for SaveSkins.com. No animal testing. And I did purchase 2 of these. I opened the other one up. It was nothing really to write home about. I already lost it. I always lose my lip balms, lip glosses, lipsticks. I lose them so quickly. That's why I like to pick them up from Dollar Tree. So this one, I want to say it says it's organic somewhere. Oh, it says all natural. So yeah, I mean, this little lid comes off and you put your fingers here and there's just like a half sphere in there, kind of similar to an EOS, just with a little bit different applicator shape. So this is a good buy. I mean, this would be nice for an Easter basket just to throw in your purse for $1. You can't really beat it. So I had to get this. And of course, there's this like cute little polar bear that sort of looks like a dog, and I just thought it was so cute. Going back to picture frames, I also found these 2 frames. These are so good, you guys. These are perfect for farmhouse decor, rustic glam, whatever. They are so nice. So they are not real wood, but they have a very like heavy texture in them, and these could really fool you. You would definitely think this was real wood if you didn't know that it was from Dollar Tree. So they're 4x6. I want to say I saw a very similar frame in a bigger size, but they didn't have it in this gray color, and it wasn't like flat. I like the simplicity of this one, that it's just flat. The other one had some like grooving in it and stuff. But anyways, this comes in 4 colors, which I thought was unreal. So it comes in this gray, it comes in a light brown, it comes in a dark brown, and then it comes in this kind of teal blue or turquoise. I would say it's more teal. What's cool about this, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell, where it's kind of distressed, where the blue isn't, it's gold underneath. So you wouldn't really notice from a distance, but up close and kind of in this light, you can maybe see, and I'm sorry if I'm blinding you, there is plastic on here. You can kind of see that gold. It's very cool. So I did pick up 4 of the teal. For a DIY, I wanted to get 4 of this gray because you guys know that everything in my home is white and gray, but they only had 3 of these. So since I found 4 of these, I went with this one. Plus this is a gorgeous color for spring and summer, so I was super excited. These are probably the best picture frames that I've seen from Dollar Tree so far. I also found this little decor piece with the nails and the threading. It says, "I love you to the moon and back." My mom got me a bracelet for Valentine's Day that said that, so when I saw this at Dollar Tree, I'm like, yes, that is going in her Easter basket, because I did make her an Easter basket, my dad an Easter basket. So this is just a little something that I can add in there. They had quite a few other ones, or maybe not quite a few. I think they had like 2 or 3 other ones. I'll insert pictures of those. I do have one of these already from last year. I want to say I found it over the summer that I used in my Valentine's Day decor. So these are really cute. They just have a little stand in the back, and they're that same kind of thick cardboard material. Next, I found these pot holders. You get 2 of them. Dollar Tree pot holders aren't really the greatest, so I don't usually buy them, but I did get these just square ones because sometimes I need something like this just to set on my counter as a barrier between my countertop and like a hot dish or something like that. So that's why I got these. I thought it was really cute that it's kind of like a rustic distressed wood. It's kind of springy. It says faith, family, and friends. And yeah, I just like that you get 2 of them. So they did have this in the like hand-shaped pot holders, and I want to say dish towels as well, but I just needed this style as like a countertop protector, so that is why I got these. I also picked up this super cute baby bag. I won't spend too much time on this, but they had the cutest baby bags there. And I do have a baby shower to go to. It has the scalloped edge, and then the tag is a balloon that is glittery, and these are extra wide, so I don't know if you can see. It's probably about 6 inches wide, so you can put larger gifts in here, and that's why I got it. The last thing that I got, and something that I definitely don't really need, is this reversible sequins bin. They had these in 3 different sizes and 3 different colors as well. I'll insert pictures. I mean, I could always use a storage bin for like underneath my sinks and stuff. These are not very sturdy, so this probably wasn't the best option. And it's also like just not my style. You guys know I don't do like a lot of this kind of thing, but it's so cute. It's rose gold and it reverses to silver, and it's so fun to play with. And in a lot of people's videos, they were saying they're very small. It is small, however, it's bigger than I was expecting based off of people's videos. Like, oops, I bumped the camera. This would make an adorable Easter basket. Yeah, I think it's so cute. So I had to pick it up. This was like the largest size, I would say, and there were 2 others, but how could I leave this behind? I think I might put maybe some makeup in it or something. It doesn't really fit the style, the aesthetic that I have. It's kind of for somebody who's a little bit more playful maybe than I am, or maybe a younger person, but I couldn't leave it behind. So that's the entire haul, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I did plan on doing way more Easter videos, but the time was just escaping me. I've had a lot going on these past couple weeks, like a lot, you guys, and everything is fine. Everyone is good. But that's why I didn't really get a whole lot of Easter videos up. If you guys still want to see a tour of my Easter decor, let me know and I'd be happy to make it. Typically, I like to put it up pretty far in advance so you guys can get some inspiration if you're having difficulty decorating yourself. But like I said, the time was just escaping me, and if you want to see it still, anyways, I will definitely put it together sometime this week or over the weekend. Otherwise, we're just going to let it go. Maybe I'll post some pictures in the community tab. Anyways, that's about it for now, you guys. I will see you back in my next one. Bye.